Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Hope everybody is fit and healthy, and today I brought you an episode of production planning. We are using Fast React for production planning. So this is a report which we have generated out of our planning software. So this is a production plan. We have these are the lines, and it says T25A means a team. So 70 means 70% efficiency. 70% efficiency means you are operating in 70% of productivity. In simple terms, this is day level plan. These are the styles plan. This is an apparel production. So you can see today we are going to talk about learning curves. Learning curves means, let's say if you are doing certain task, when you are do more iteration, you will be getting proficient about it, right? Then you will be able to work and generate more output from your work, right? That's why we put first day it is 20%, second day 30%, next day 40%. Likewise, we are allowing people to learn. As they learn, the productivity goes up. See, 60, 65, 70, likewise it goes up. This is what is happening. This is when I relate this to a sewing, people start stitching very slowly. Then in the second day they will start getting it more under control, and they will start stitching faster. Then third day faster than the second day. Likewise, you will do that. So this is a production plan. When we are creating the production plan, management wants to see whether we have abide by the rules that we have set. In Fast React, we are setting learning curves in our Fast React board. So our planners must comply with the applied learning curves. Company has standard ladders, the learning curves. People must use these ladders. If they are using different ladders, maybe it could be a complex product, it could be it could be let's say it has more operations in it, it has a difficult fabric, then we have to allow a certain level of independence to planner to work out, because we can't compromise on quality. Therefore sometimes they apply exceptional ladders. But when you are looking at a report like this, it is very difficult to pick whether they have applied the right ladders, they have followed the correct way in a production plan. In a nutshell, let's say in quick view, eagle's eye view, how do you see whether this plant has complied with the ladders? So this is the plan. Let's say if you look a picture like this, let's say these are the ladders, and it is much easier for you to understand. These are the incremental ones, and blue and reds are the standard ladders that we are using. And here you can see clear visibility there. They have used exceptional ladders here, right? And there is a purple patch here. I'll explain it later. So you can see most of the time they have used the ladders, they complied with the ladders. Now we can assure that like there can be complex styles here, there can be small exceptions here, right? So that is much easier for you to understand this plant is complying with our budgeted learning curves. So if I come to this purple patch says there is a crash ladder. Let's say if you are doing something, let's say you are doing some work improvement, let's say you are adding some automation, you are adding some additional training. Likewise, if you add those things, you will be able to crash this ladder. Let's say instead of starting with 20% efficiency, you will be able to start it with, let's say, 30%, maybe 40%. So if you look at that, you will be able to pick, these are the lines, this is the only one line that we have crash ladder situation in this plan. So this is our weave. So we are using a macro to get it done. Let me show you how we are going to do it. First I am deleting everything, and then I am going to get into my sheet and copy everything here, come back here, paste values, and then what I am going to do is run my VBA macro. So if you want how this macro is done, let's comment below. I'll show you and I'll share the code with you, so that you will be able to do it for your work, maybe apply for your work, how to apply these color codes, how does this work, what is the flow of thinking when we are creating this macro and generating this weave. You can see colors are getting applied here. It's very much satisfactory to watch when the computer does the work and when we are watching, right? And it is writing, it is applying the colors, so that it is converting our raw data into a insight and visual insight, so that we will be able to quickly trace down the errors or maybe the exceptions and ask questions, why, what is happening here, what is happening there. Likewise, we can clarify in a minute, right? So that's the beauty of it. When you are representing something visually, you will be able to catch the insight very quickly, rather than waiting for some analyst to work on and give you their completed information. See, we got it in a minute, right? Now we know we have applied blue ladder majority in our plant. We have red ladders as well. We have few exception here and there, and we have one crash ladder situation. That means we have done only one improvement in this whole plant for whole month. So that is bad. So we have to work on this. So apart from that, this is standard visualization. If you want this type of work to be done, you can inquire from us, or else you can request to share the code or code walkthrough. We will be able to share it with you in another video. So I hope you have learned something out of it, and if you like this video, just like us, follow us and subscribe us, and hope you have learned something about learning curves. Bye for now. Thank you.